Hello chess lovers, welcome back to my channel The Chess Forward. In today's video, we will learn how to play endgame with minor pieces. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more notifications. Okay, so let's get started. Usually in endgame positions consisting of minor pieces, bishops prove to be more worthy because they can stop passed pawns faster than knights. But it depends on the position whether a knight or a bishop is good. So we are going to analyze some positions consisting of minor pieces. This is the first position we are going to analyze. It seems that black is going to win because of his bishop. Well, that is not the case. We will promote our pawns into queens and then checkmate this black king. So this is the starting position of this endgame position, and let's see how white continues. White plays here a5, then bishop f8, king to d5, bishop h6, g5, which is a very good move, bishop cross g5, king e4 to control this square in which the bishop is targeting and he wants to come. Then bishop again goes to h4 and targets this f2 square, and king controls it by playing king f3. Then bishop e1, a6, king e5, a7, bishop b4, and then a8 equals to queen, and we have won the game. We are going to win this game because we have a queen versus bishop battle in between, and we are proved to be more powerful because of our queen. We can easily checkmate the black king. Okay, so this is the second position we are going to analyze. White is much better in this position because he is going to promote his pawn into a queen. But the king is safeguarding this g8 square, due to which we cannot promote the queen immediately. So instead of just thinking how to promote the queen, white found a mating continuation. Can you find what is the mating continuation? I will give you 1 second's time. Okay, so I will reveal the mating continuation. It is g8 equals to queen. You might be thinking, how can this be possible to play g8 equals to queen? He will definitely capture the g8 square. Then we simply play king to e6, and the king cannot move to the f8 square, the f7 square, or the g7 square. The only option he has is the h8 square. So he plays here h8. Then white plays king f7. Then only this pawn can move forward, and so the black plays e6, and then this is a beautiful checkmate move, and that is bishop to g7 checkmate. Let's see at one another variation. When we play g8 equals to queen, he can also play this move king to f6. Well, then it is game over for him there and then and there. Queen to e6, and that is a beautiful checkmate from white, and black has lost this game. So if you liked my video, please like. If you found my video effective, please share it, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more notifications. Bye.